Alright guys, so for this first CAS video, I'm just going to be showing you how to create a scatter plot using your CAS. I'm just using the PC software, but as you can see, it's exactly what you guys will be seeing on your CAS. So to get us started, I've just thrown in some data points here. I've got 15, and as you can see, I've just got height and weight. With scatter plots, you will always have to have two sets of data. The hardest part of all of this is actually just filling this data in and making sure it's correct. So do double check once you've put your data in. Next step, what I want you guys to do, or what you guys will need to be doing, is when you're on this screen here, you are going to click on Control and Document, so it gives you this list here, and then you're going to go to Data and Statistics. You should get this screen here, and you have a bunch of your data points all jumbled up. And what you need to do is jump down here. You can either use your little mouse scrolly touchpad, or I often find it easy to hit Tab. And if you hit Tab, we go down here, and we're going to put in our value of height. And you can see it turns it all into this little nice dot plot for us. To turn it into an actual scatter plot, we need to go over to your y-axis, and if I've set my x to height, this has to be weight. And if we do that, we get this nice little scatter plot here. As you can see, this is a lot quicker than drawing up a scatter plot by hand. It's very, very rare we need to do it by hand, but to get something like this is quite nice. If by chance you realize you've made a mistake with these variables and this was meant to be weight and this was meant to be height, it is quite simple. You can just go down. If I turn this to weight, it will automatically change my other one to height. But as Jackie mentioned, if you're not too sure which is which, whichever comes first in your data set. So if I click back to our table of values, height was my first one. So therefore my x-axis has to be height. So again, if I click back to height, it just changes and updates my scatter plot accordingly. That's it for this one. On the next CAS video, we'll show you how you can take it to the next step by getting a regression line and all that funky stuff that your CAS can do. But for now, that's it. Thanks, guys.